Hola Alice, this is my video for you. So I sent you the Google form that you need to complete for today's class. Treat it like a little mini quiz or an exit ticket. I asked everybody to just, be honest in their completion of this and try to make it, as if we're in the classroom, but it's really impossible to do. So when you launch the Google Form quiz, you're going to put in your name and your class period, and then you're going to get to this screen. And this is where you're going to need to hear my recording that I'm going to read for you. So there is a passage that the students had to listen to, and then they had to answer these four true or false questions. So the statements are Perú juega contra Ecuador, true or false. Juegan en el estadio en Quito, Ecuador, true or false. Juegan baloncesto, true or false. Cuando empieza el segundo tiempo, el tanta queda empatado en cero, true or false. So then once you do these four and you click next, the rest are really just multiple choice you can do completely without this. So I'm going to read it to you. I read it to them twice. You have the ability to just replay it. So I'm just going to read it to you once. So here it is. El estadio de fútbol aquí en Lima, Perú, está lleno. It's full. Hay miles y miles de espectadores. El segundo tiempo empieza y los jugadores vuelven al campo. Perú quiere ganar y tiene que ganar. El entusiasmo de los espectadores, los peruanos, es tremendo. Pero al empezar el segundo tiempo, el tanto queda empatado en dos. Dos para Perú y dos para Ecuador. So that's the passage for those true or false questions. If you have any trouble with this at all and you'd rather do it on a one-on-one Zoom, you let me know. We can figure it out. Otherwise, submit it if that works for you. All right. We missed you. Other than that, we just reviewed some vocab and some stem changers.